Kate here with WTI, and I am totally showing off these hooks from NINETREX. This comes in a set of 4, and I have the gold version, and I think they are so beautiful. I love that they're nice and simple and that you can't even tell how they're hung. So the screws are completely hidden, really easy to install. It came with everything I needed. I started by marking off exactly where I wanted the hooks. I installed the top anchor, and then I screwed in the attachment, and then I was able to level and mark my bottom anchor, put those in, and finish installing by sliding on the hook and then tightening the little screw on the side. It's very simple, took all of 10-15 minutes to do, and it just adds so much to this space. I think the gold is awesome. It's a really nice brushed gold and it looks really classy, but of course they have different colors. I believe they have silver and black, so for whatever your space calls for. You can use these in an entryway like I have, or you could use it in your bathroom, your bedroom. Really versatile, and with a set of 4, you could even scatter them in different areas. Once you have them nice and tightened, they're very sturdy, so I have my heavy purse on here with no issues at all, so it can hold up to your coats or anything that you want to be able to hang on there. So if you're looking for something stylish and functional that will help you organize your entryway or any area of your home, it's got that nice minimalist look. I think you're going to really like these hooks from NINETREX, and that's my point of view.